You're gonna love the 2021 INFINITI QX50. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Come along for a tour of this richly appointed INFINITI QX50, the luxury SUV that leverages groundbreaking engineering and exceptional design to bring you a driving experience that's truly inspired. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun moonroof, backup camera, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps. Premium luxury meets convenient versatility in this thoughtfully designed QX50. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.